Good evening, everybody. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. We are about at 2 pops of breaks, and it is Tuesday, the 7th of June. It's actually the 8th of June. It's almost 1 a.m. Central Time here, 20 to 1. We are still breaking Bound Box full-size helmets. We randomed up our 6 remaining boxes, folks. We got box number 41. We did random team sales. You can see on your left, we've already randomized customers and teams, alphabetized the customer list afterwards. Bunches their entries together, makes trading a little easier, even though nobody's trading, because we know 4 of our 6 remaining boxes from the checklist. So here we go, guys. Wow. You guys are going to be so fucking pissed. I don't know what to tell you, though, guys. All right, we have Cleveland for 1 free entry. I'm to tell you guys, you guys get all mad when I say it, but I just don't know how many damn times we have to prove it night after night after night how streaky. God, I'm sorry everybody else. It's got to be Golf's 4th hit here. Or Golf's 3rd hit if I've lost track here, guys. I'm actually getting a little tired and worn out. That is going to be a Golf hit, guys. Monsters of the Midway, Brian Urlacher, Butkus Singletary, folks. Brian Urlacher, Butkus Singletary, Eclipse Authentic, Beckett certification on that one, guys. Said Bengals went the whole series, guys, without hitting a damn thing there. Bounced back tonight and hit himself 3 or 4 nice helmets, guys. I'm so sorry to the rest of you, but you guys, he'd been buying in just as much as the rest of you guys. He didn't take 1 hit until tonight. And he tried to trade 2 of them away. Actually, he tried to trade this one away, too. So... just while I got the bubble wrap, I'm just gonna wrap that sucker up real quick. Come on, man. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. Come on by and see if we can get you on one of these streets, folks. 8 p.m. Central. Bobby 2 pops breaks. You all have a wonderful night.